Unlock your future, Data Careers Explained. Tired of dead-end jobs? Data is the new gold, and the opportunities are exploding. Let's dive into the exciting world of data careers and how you can get involved. Data scientists are the rock stars of the data world. They use advanced statistical techniques and machine learning to extract insights and predict future trends. Think of them as detectives solving business mysteries with data. They build predictive models, analyze complex data sets, and communicate findings to stakeholders. A strong background in math, statistics, and programming is key. Data analysts are the storytellers of data. They collect, clean, and analyze data to identify patterns and trends. They then translate these findings into actionable insights for businesses. They use tools like SQL, Excel, and visualization software to create reports and dashboards. Strong communication and analytical skills are essential. Data engineers are the builders of the data world. They design, build, and maintain the infrastructure that allows data to flow smoothly. They ensure data is accessible, reliable, and secure. They work with databases, data pipelines, and cloud technologies. Programming skills and a strong understanding of data architecture are crucial. Beyond these core roles, there are many other data-related careers. These include machine learning engineer, business intelligence analyst, and data visualization specialist. The possibilities are endless. The data field is booming, and the demand for skilled professionals is high. Start learning today. Check out our free resources and online courses to begin your data